Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through my sketch process with a step-by-step tutorial. So let's get into it. I started with the reference image. I spent some time selecting the right one. And for this piece, I chose a girl with subtle smile and with a beautiful lighting that really caught my eye. So let's get into it. For the process, I typically use dry ink brush in Procreate, which is a default one. I begin by sketching the basic face structure, lightly marking the main features. Then I gradually refine those lines by making another layer. Once I'm happy with the structure, I go with the outline again to clean it up and finalize the strokes. Next comes the color. I pick colors directly from the reference and start laying down the base tones. After that, I build depth by adding shadows using slightly darker shades.